Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akil Atalah and with name 2023 31327. In this video, I would like to explain my practicum assignment. Number one, practicum number one, question number one is create database format with format name and laporan 1. Okay. This is command to create database in MySQL. Create database 2023, this is my name and laporan 1. And use database command is use 2023 327 hashtag laporan 1. Okay, and in the first tabel I create tabel name is student. This is first tabel student, and the first field is student ID with the data type char, and long is 10. The second is name with varchar. The third is email, varchar, and the last one is birthday. With type data is that. And each column does not have a primary key. So I add a primary key using the alter table. With this is command to add a primary key in the table. Alter table student add primary key student ID. The student and this table use a primary key. Second table, I create a table name is courses. Okay, courses. The first field is course ID, type data, type char, course name varchar, semester char, and lecture varchar. And I want to give primary key in the first column is course ID, and I use alter table primary key course ID. Okay. Okay, in the third table I apa intertable I create a table name is class schedule, and in the class schedule I use char 10, student ID char, course ID char, class time and class day varchar. And this table I'm using two foreign key. The first one is for the student ID table, and the second is the course ID table. The command to create a foreign key is that is alter table, class schedule, and foreign key. Nice. Okay. If there is already a foreign key, then mark it with MOL. Uh, this is already a foreign key. Okay. Hmm. Next, the last table is grades. In the table grades, in table grades, I using wait grades. Nah, in the grade table, I using one primary key and three foreign key. And in the 5 field, I use decimal type data type to decimal data type in the score column. I use the decimal data type because it's the most suitable for this column. Decimal data type can store decimal data type represent decimal number. It can store fractional values. Uh, the notation decimal 5.2 means that the total number of digit is 5 with 3 digit before the decimal point and 2 digit after decimal point. And the last column is grade with data type char. Okay, and this is with and uh, in the question number 3 is add one of column in one table. Okay, in one of table. To add the column, uh, no, to add the column, I use comment. This comment. Comment is alter table student at address with data type varchar and length 100. And I add column in the student table address column. Okay. Number 4, the question number 4 is use drop to delete foreign key in the one of table. Okay. To delete a foreign key, we first need to check the name of the foreign key in our table. This can be done using the this command. The command is show create table class schedule. Nah, this command will display the structure of the class schedule table. Include the name of the foreign key. This is the name of foreign key. We can delete using the alter table, that we can delete using the alter table command. The alter table command is this command used to delete a foreign key and drop foreign key and uh, replace foreign key name with the actual name of the foreign key found in the previous step. In the previous step is foreign key name is class schedule IBFK1 and replace name in this place. Okay, and okay, and in the last, I want to delete MUL indicator, not delete. uh, MUL indicator has not been deleted before we delete the index. And to delete the index, we to delete the index, we use the I use the command. This command alter table class schedule drop index. Nah, okay. First, show index from class schedules, and uh, the index. You can see the index in the you can see the index class schedule. The index is student ID and course ID, and I want to delete the class schedule index. And to delete to delete the class index, the command is alter table class schedule drop index student ID. Student ID is the name of index, and I want to delete index of course ID. After delete the index, I dash class schedule and MUL is deleted. Okay, okay, maybe enough. Maybe that enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.